Theta Digital Money began as a diminutive person among monsters with its low market cap, but the organization developed to what it is currently, presently not inconspicuous nor a dark horse, with its novel and possibly important genuine use case attached to gigantic development markets, for example, computerized media and online computer games. Theta took the roar from higher positioning crypto projects. This Theta value expectation will be your light in the faint tumultuous passage. The token is unpredictable, yet this cryptographic money has an unmistakable long-haul case. In any case, could this Theta value expectation be sufficient to persuade you to incorporate the crypto in your speculation portfolio? How about we jump further into the genuine purposes of the coin? Theta's coalition with one title to shape another NFT commercial center is a progressive step for the organization. One title has a dispersion of 400 million clients, and it presently serves in excess of 150 countries. Toward the beginning of September, the Theta token was inclined toward buy purchasers, adding to the rising cost energy. The coin has been exchanging a tight reach all through the following week, flagging an unpredictable market. What's not too far off for Theta in 2022? And the years in the wake of, as per master examiners, the present Theta organization cost is $0.783751 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,832,945. Theta organization is down 4.22% as of now. The ongoing market cap positioning is number 49, with a live market cap of $783,751,344. It has a circling supply of 1 billion Theta coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion Theta coins. What is Theta? Theta token is the local impetus of the Theta decentralized organization, an open-source, public convention zeroed in on driving the up-and-coming age of content streaming stages. Through Theta, designers and video aggregators can inventively construct, send off and convey decentralized streaming applications on top of the blockchain. Theta's applications center around experts, television motion pictures, undertaking conferencing, music, educative, and streaming substance. The substance-driven digital currency stays quite possibly of the most underestimated coin out there this moment, and I figure it will keep on ascending in cost after some time. Theta has proactively outperformed most more established coins in the market cap. Yet what's the significance here for its future worth? Will Theta be more significant than Bitcoin or Ethereum by 2030? This blog entry will give experiences into Theta cost forecast, how to purchase Theta coin, and why it could outperform other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum inside the following a portion of 10 years. What does 2022 hold for Theta? 2022 keeps on looking brilliant for Theta, with the Theta designer local area hoping to profit by the help currently set up for the outsider improvement local area. Additionally, the local area expects to develop it. This year, they have projects arranged and said projects are supposed to support Theta's development, extension, and reception. They are likewise remembered for the Internet 3.0 undertaking. There are numerous applications that will assist with sending off a decentralized web economy. The suite apparatuses, for example, the Ethereum Viable RPC programming interface suite and MetaMask joining, are likewise expected to assist with driving up the cost of the Theta token in 2022 and in the years to come. Theta specialized examination. After strong bullish exchanging meetings with soaring costs, the Theta token started a negative convention and framed a plunge close to its month-to-month lows. Be that as it may, the token has shaped strong help and is seeing a vertical retracement to push financial backers' bullish expectations with solid purchasing pressure. However, bears recently arose in the Theta cost diagram with serious selling control. The Theta token is as of now confronting inconvenience, holding its vertical meeting, and is giving indications of a downtrend at any point in the near future. Nonetheless, a few altcoin investigators accept that Theta token is getting ready for a weighty siphon, as the token gets support from the local area. Besides, the new bullish report on CPI information is going about as an impetus in the altcoin market, setting off the token to contact new highs this month. Consequently, our Theta cost investigation means to present to you the anticipated market pattern, with cutting-edge specialized devices to assist you with directing through a productive speculation choice in the midst of the market's disturbance. As indicated by CoinMarketCap, the ongoing cost of the Theta token exchanges at $1.18, with an increase of almost 10% from the previous exhibition. Our specialized investigation of the Theta network shows that the token is ready for a vertical direction with a galactic retracement, assuming it breaks over the Mama slant pattern line. Taking a gander at the day-to-day cost diagram, the Theta token battles to exchange above $1.21, as it consistently faces numerous dismissals from market bears over this level because of extraordinary negative energy. In the wake of hauling itself out of the negative pattern of November, the Theta token printed a noteworthy bullish meeting by shaping a climbing channel design with various better upsides and lows. The resource is presently endeavoring to flood over its 23.6% lie retracement as the overall influence BOP pointer exchanges a green district of 0.52, which might push the token to retest its obstruction at $1.2. Theta value expectation 2023. Our Theta cost expectation for 2023 predicts a most extreme exchanging cost of $1.92 with a typical exchanging cost of almost $1.67. Theta token could follow with a base cost of $1.61 toward the finish of 2023. Theta value expectation 2024. Theta network guarantees the crypto space a vigorous Web3 foundation with solid basics. Theta cost expectation for 2024 anticipates that the token should expand its bullish energy and reasonable accomplish a greatest cost of $2.85. From that point forward, Theta crypto could record a low of $2.34 with a typical exchanging cost of $2.43. Theta value expectation 2025. Our Theta cost forecast for 2025 predicts a base worth of $3.26 and a greatest worth of $4.08. Furthermore, our Theta cost gauge for 2025 predicts a typical exchanging cost of $3.36. Theta value forecast 2026. Theta might observe an enormous siphon in 2026 and carry a dramatic revisitation of its drawn-out holders. Our Theta cost expectation for 2026 expects a greatest exchanging cost of $5.71 with a typical exchanging cost of $4.98. Theta token might arrive at any rate worth of $4.84. Theta value expectation 2027. The crypto market is anticipated to observe a bull season in the following couple of years and accomplish a critical achievement in worldwide market cap, as it is getting ready for a soaring business sector with a likely increase in esteem. Our Theta cost expectation for 2027 proposes it might contact a greatest exchanging cost of $8.28. Theta might exchange at a typical cost of $6.95 with a base worth of $6.71. Theta value expectation 2028. Our Theta cost forecast for 2028 states that the token might contact a greatest cost of $11.65 and a typical exchanging cost of $10.20. The base incentive for the Theta cryptographic money is anticipated to hit $9.86. Theta value expectation 2029. In the forthcoming years, the Theta stage might grow dramatically and gain financial backers' consideration with strong improvements that can push its cost toward the north. Our Theta cost expectation for 2029 expects a greatest cost for this token to be $16.98 and a base cost of $14.13. Theta crypto